Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where your Instagram likes or whatever may be gone. Maybe you can't see them anymore, or maybe you're somebody who wants to disable your Instagram likes, but you can't see those specific toggles. Well, this tutorial is for you. Essentially, what you want to do is make sure your Instagram app is up to date on a more recent version. If you're on a very outdated version of Instagram, this may not work out for you. So you want to go into your app store, the Play Store, whatever. You essentially just want to search up Instagram just like this. Click here. And you want to make sure you're up to date. So as you can see, I do have an update available, but as long as you're on one of the more recent versions of Instagram, you should be able to successfully go through with this. So at this point, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your Instagram app, and you want to come onto your own page. So as you can see, you'll see the page right there. Now you may or may not see the option to actually go ahead and disable likes. So if you click on a photo and you click on the three dots, you should be seeing a little option that says hide like count. Now, if you're up to date and you don't see it, the one thing that actually helped me out is by clicking the three lines here, clicking on settings, and actually clicking on privacy, and I see this little post option. Now, before I saw a tag option. So if you see that little tags option, you want to click on it. It'll go ahead and load up, and you might see this little option up here that says hide like and view counts. Well, all you have to do here is go ahead and hop out, restart the app, and you will see that the thing may have actually changed to privacy. You want to click on privacy again. You may see that it actually changed to a post now. So now at this point, all you have to do is click on post. You want to hide like and view counts or whatever. All you really have to do at this point is click on a photo, click the three dots, and you should see the hide like count option now. So maybe you didn't see it before, but now you will be able to see it after updating your app and clicking on the tags option in your privacy settings. You should be able to see it there. If it still doesn't work, I would recommend restarting your phone, but that's essentially how to do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.